DZOFilm has a new lens in its Pictor series of Super 35 zooms, the 14-30mm T2.8. The lens will be available in a black or white finish. The 14-30mm T2.8 joins the existing 20-55mm and 50-125mm D2.8 in the series. Just like other Pictor zooms, the mount is user swappable between PL and F mounts in the field. It is also claimed to be parfocal and it has a 95mm front diameter, 0.8 pitch ears on the focus, iris, and zoom. The Pictor 14-30mm D2.8 is available by itself or as part of a 3-lens kit in a case, along with the 20-55mm D2.8 and 50-125mm D2.8. This 3-lens kit is available in either white for $8,199 or black for $7,999. These filter kits will be available in May for $299 each. The DZOFilm 14-30mm D2.8 retails for $2,889. This makes it $400 more than the 20-55mm D2.8 and $200 more than the 50-125mm D2.8. DZOFilm is also releasing 2 filter kits, standard and artistic, designed to mount on the rear of your lens via the PL mount. These filters are compatible with the Catta PL mount and Vespid lenses. The standard kit includes ND filters, while the artistic kit includes a DIY filter, as well as a mist and a streak filter.